In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Shein. Whether you're new to online shopping or just looking to maximize your shopping experience on Shein, this guide will walk you through the entire process from setting up your account to completing your purchase with confidence. To begin your Shein shopping journey, you first need to visit their website or open the mobile app. This is your portal to thousands of fashionable items across various categories. Once you're there, take a moment to explore and familiarize yourself with the site layout or app interface. This will help you navigate more smoothly and make your shopping experience more enjoyable. Next, it's time to pick an item, browse through the collection, and select something that catches your eye. Whether it's the latest in trend or an essential piece you need, take your time in making a choice that suits you. Once you find that perfect item, go ahead and click on it to see more details. This will allow you to check for product specifications, material quality, and customer reviews. It's always good to know what other shoppers have to say about a product before you decide. After you've decided on an item, you'll notice an icon resembling a shopping cart. Click on this cart icon to add your chosen item to your cart. This means it's reserved for you and ready whenever you decide to check out. Now, before you add it, make sure to choose a color and size that's right for you. Fortunately, Shein provides a size guide which is worth consulting to ensure you get the best fit. Once you're ready, click on the ADD to cart button. It's really that simple. But don't stop there. If you want to continue shopping, just repeat the same process for additional items you may want to purchase. Shein's platform allows you to add multiple items to your cart, so feel free to explore. When you're ready to proceed with your purchases, go back to the main menu. Here, you'll find the cart icon again, where you can view all items you've chosen so far. Clicking on this icon lets you review your selections one more time before checking out. Make sure everything looks good and you're satisfied with your choices. It's time to check out. During this process, you'll be asked to fill in your billing details and shipping address. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any issues with delivery. Double check all information before proceeding with your order. Once everything is set, follow the prompts to complete your purchase. And there you have it, a simple, thorough guide to ordering from Shein. Enjoy your shopping and don't forget to track your delivery so you'll know when your new trendy pieces will arrive. Happy shopping!